Right, so the new power supply has turned up. Here it is, all the nice new cables, new box, goes in that way up. So I'm going to remove that one, and all these cables connected there somewhere, and hope it works. Right, I'll switch the camera off at the minute, because I don't know how long this is going to take. Be back shortly, hopefully. Right, the new power supply is in. It's plugged in. I'll plug it in down here. And the red lights will come on. And let's go for a boot up, see if it works. Well then. Okay, something's happening. Right. Right, we're getting power. Right, I'll switch this off a minute, save the battery on the camera, and come back when it's fully booted. Right, so the machine's fully booted. Moment of truth, ultra. Find an input clip. Susie, open. Nope, still hasn't fixed it. Yeah, totally disappointed. Right, I'm going to try a couple more things first before I give up on this program completely. It is possible when I installed the program, because the machine was underpowered, it may have corrupted the program, a file or something, I don't know. But I'll install this program and install it again. It's the last thing I can try. I've tried absolutely everything. So sometimes you just gotta let things go, otherwise your sanity starts to be affected. Not to worry, life will go on. Okay, I'll switch the camera off again and see what I can do. Well, still not working. Reinstall the program, and I think I'm just going to have to give up now. I've done absolutely everything. Been on this for a couple of weeks. Spent 80 quid. 80 quid that achieved nothing. I've achieved absolutely nothing for £80 and a couple of weeks wasting my time. It just won't work. Oh, hang on, she's there now. Why is she there now? Oh, I don't know. I honestly don't know. This is weird. This is really, really, really weird. I don't get it. I just don't understand. There she is. I just don't understand why it's working now. Let me just check out the Kia. Hang on, let's sort out the input first. Let's. I love this Kia. I just hope it stays working. Oh, let's have a look. Kia. Let's drop a few. Oh, set key. No. No. again. Yeah, she's there again. I just don't understand this damn program. I haven't got all my virtual sets in there yet. I don't know. Right. Kia. Oh, what the hell. No, still not working properly. Oh. Why isn't that? That's the one. That's the one. Right, just drop a few key points on there. Apply points. Right, so that's gone over there. Input. Let's crop out. Okay. Let's put in a virtual set or whatever's there. MSL1 samples. This is just a sample. Let's have a look. Library. There she is. Let's play. There she is. There she is. Now I don't know why that's working, but I'm happy. Okay. Right, we're getting excited now. I'm gonna load in the rest of the virtual sets. And I do have a file on my other computer which I'll transfer over to here and see if that works. Right, let me just shut this down. Okay. I don't know. This is weird. Okay.